Hey guys, it's Monica B. We are on day 30, the final day of 30 days of Instagram. And so today we are going to talk about the third and final dosha, which is Kapha Dosha. So for the past 2 days, we've been talking about Vata Dosha and Pitta Dosha. You can check those out. And today it's Kapha. And I'm going to be reading to you from my very first book, In Your Elements. And let's get into what this dosha is and see if you recognize yourself in it, or maybe your loved ones or your colleagues or your friends. It's always fun to talk about the doshas. So let's jump into it. Kapha is the energy of lubrication and structure. The temperament of Kapha is steady and nurturing, and the elements are water and earth. The qualities of Kapha are cold, wet, heavy, static, dense, and dull. The season of Kapha is spring, which is right now at the moment of this video. In nature, Kapha is moon, and in the main location in the body, Kapha rules the stomach and the chest. So, Kapha Dosha creates our physical building blocks and is responsible for keeping our tissues strong and supple. Kapha is our lubrication, mucus, reproductive fluids, and is responsible for building our tissues. It is the glue that binds the body together. Kapha is creation. Kapha nurtures and supports Vata and Pitta, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Kaphas have a solid or voluptuous build, and though they have a strong presence, they are often soft-spoken and shy. Kapha-type people are very strong, jolly, sweet, and highly structured in both mind and body. They have thick porcelain skin and they don't wrinkle easily. Aren't we all jealous? And they have thick hair. Jealous of that too. Their eyes are round with thick lashes and they have a strong, bright smile. Kaphas are the sturdiest of the three doshas, capable of handling a lot of work with endless patience. Since Kaphas are made of water and earth, they are heavy and slow in nature. So it takes them a very long time to get out of balance and a very long time to come back into balance. And this is when everybody says, I want to be a Kapha. So Kapha personality. Everybody loves a Kapha. Balanced Kaphas are peacemakers, empathetic caretakers, joyous hosts, and give the best hugs ever. They are always happy, extremely tolerant, patient, and they are the first ones to offer a helping hand. Vatas love to cheerlead. Their faces and hearts light up with pride when others succeed. Their mind is steady, their attitude is positive, and their bodies are very strong. Their presence allows others to rest easy because Kaphas will never judge. They will always listen and rarely get angry. Kaphas are happiest when they are in a warm, dry climate and when engaged in light activities like gardening, cooking, or knitting. They are powerful singers. Healthy lubrication around the vocal cords makes them a natural. Kaphas do not like change and feel most comfortable in their routine. They frequent the same restaurants, order the same entrees over and over, and might not move far from their hometown. Kaphas take a very long time to make a decision. A little on the lazy side, they would rather someone else make the decision, so all they have to do is follow. You might hear a Kapha say, whatever you think, or I'll follow your lead. Give Kapha a list of projects to do and consider it done. Kaphas have strong endurance but can overextend themselves, leaving nothing left to nourish themselves. They are the ultimate people pleasers and have a hard time saying no because they don't like to upset others, create conflict, or stir the pot. They will often take on way too much just to keep the peace. However, if Kaphas don't ask for reprieve, they might take on the poor me syndrome, and that negative weight can be felt by everyone. It's not easy to exhaust or upset a Kapha, but once you upset them, they get downright mean and hold a grudge. The best thing Kaphas can do is ask for what they need. Otherwise, others will always assume they are okay because of their happy-go-lucky nature. So Kaphas need to ask. Kaphas out of balance. Kaphas are prone to imbalances like weight gain, lethargy, cloudiness of mind, cystic acne, allergies, increased mucus, water retention, and depression. Kaphas can get lonely if they don't have enough people time. Being with others invigorates Kaphas. They feel lighter and inspired when in the company of vivacious vatas or strategic thinking pittas. Because of their heavy and static nature, it is easy for Kapha to collect things. What Kapha needs. Kapha appetite and metabolism is slow, so they should skip a meal to remain content and happy. Fasting is necessary for Kaphas because it gives their slow digestive fire a chance to catch up and process any old foodstuffs hanging around. I wrote in here low digestive fire. I also want you to think like a slow, low burn, like coals, like on a grill. That's their digestive fire. Low and slow. It takes a long time. Kapha is watery, so they need to soak up the excess water with airy and dry foods like veggies, fruits, salads, and legumes. A light, warm, spicy vegetarian diet is best for Kapha to heat them up and keep them light on their feet. Kaphas love to shop the sales and buy things in multiples. They are the ones to buy 3 pairs of the same jeans in different colors or 7 of the same spatula because they were all on bulk discount. One of the best things Kapha can do for themselves is lighten the load from past emotions and material things. Kaphas are the most emotional dosha and cry the most easily. All that water comes right out. So go to a Kapha for emotional support, but not for a strategic plan of action. Kaphas brighten up and gain a spring in their step when surrounded by the lively energy of a vata. Kaphas have strong admiration for pitta's strong abilities to lead the way. So let's review Kapha real quick. Kaphas get imbalanced by heavy emotions, excess food, excess material things, and lack of physical movement. So Kaphas need lightness, warmth, movement, dryness, and spice. And a good mantra for Kaphas is to let go of whatever does not serve me and get up and dance. So that is Kapha Dosha in a nutshell. You know, overall for Kaphas, they have this sort of weighty, heavy, non-moving energy, whether it's in their mind on making decisions or whether it's in their physical body. They are just, it's hard to move them and they can be very stubborn. And so Kaphas know this. The very best thing that you can do truly is move your body and get a little sweat so some of that water element starts to come out on a regular basis. You will feel so light and you will feel so happy and in your glow and in your joy. And that's how we all want to see you be, because we know that you carry the weight of so many things for the rest of us that we really just want you to feel that happiness and that joy, because when you do, your strength gets even stronger and you can help even more people and you feel so happy doing it. So I hope that helped today, reviewing Kapha Dosha, and this wraps up the 30 days live on Instagram. If this helped you, go ahead and give me a comment below if you like these kinds of things or if there's anything else you want to learn from me for the time being. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time as we keep bringing Ayurveda to life. Mwah.